Welcome to A1TV. Let's take a quick look at today's top stories from Pakistan and around. Developments surrounding the Pahalgam incident have drawn attention to the role of Indian media, with growing criticism over its coverage and narrative. Following the incident, sections of Indian media were seen promoting unverified claims and attributing responsibility without evidence, raising concerns about the spread of misinformation. An internal Pentagon email outlines options for the United States to punish NATO allies who believes failed to support U.S. operations in the war with Iran, including suspending Spain from the alliance and reviewing the U.S. position on Britain's claim to the Falkland Islands, a U.S. official told Reuters. The Pakistan Stock Exchange (PSX) continued its downward trend on the final day of the trading week amid stalled talks about the US and Iran. During the intraday trading, the KSE 100 saw a drop of over 2,500 points, bringing the index to 166,380 points. Changing tourism trend in China, Chinese citizens are increasingly preferring local culture and experiential activities. This trend reflects a significant shift in tourism consumption patterns. And that's all for now from A1TV. For more updates, keep watching A1TV.